Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys double tap to wake screen setting friends, how to use an on oppo phone device. Friends, we want to on your double tap to wake screen setting, and friends you don't know about what is double tap and how to on and use on oppo phone device. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So friends, now let's see how to on and use double tap to wake screen on oppo phone guys. So when first of all you will have to on your oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on guys your oppo phone home and lock screen setting. After on friends home and lock screen setting, home screen mode friends, you want to change friends, you want to change your home screen layout, so you can change your column and row home screen layout. So friends, scroll it, lock screen setting friends, raise to wake you want to use, so you can use double tap to wake screen. And first of all we will on and after on how to use. When lock your screen, and then now you want to unlock your screen and without click any button. So friends, you can double tap on your lock screen, your screen will on, and guys double tap to off screen. So friends, without click any button you want to on your oppo phone screen, so friends you can on with the double tap and you can unlock your phone. So like that guys, we can use double tap to wake screen setting on oppo phone device. Friends, you don't want to use, so friends click on your phone setting again, and friends click on home and lock screen, double tap to wake screen, friends tap here, and friends now we will lock again our screen. And friends, now you want to unlock your screen, so like double tap, screen will not on. So friends, we will click on power button, then we can on our phone. So like that we can on and use double tap to wake screen on oppo phone device. So bye guys.